Hello world, real reviews slash tutorials here. Rasan is your host. I'm going to show you how to get to your library folder today. Go on your desktop, look up to your left, you see your menu. You see the Apple, the Finder, File, Edit, View, Go, Window, Help. Alright, if you go to Go, you'll see all of the most important locations of your computer. Now, if you hold the Option key down, an extra folder pops up. If you can see it, right? Right now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 folders. If you hold the Option button down, you have an additional library folder. All right. Then you can just click on it. And now you have access to your library folder. All right. Okay. That was it for today. Peace.